So I'm gonna probably wear this with these heels, probably, because it has a slit and my leg is gonna be out. So I think that's gonna be really cute together. Anything with a slit, that's what I'm wearing.
Jag vill inte ta tillbaka någonting av det jag sagt. Men om du låter mig förklara har vi i alla fall försökt ge dig en chans. Du vill ha det som tar hand om dig, men du låter inte mig.
It is the night before my trip. I have a flight tomorrow at 10 a.m. in the morning, and obviously I still have to pack. But I am so excited because I am doing my first travel vlog for my YouTube channel, and I am going to Cozumel, Mexico. So excited about this because I planned this a few months back, and although I'm going for only 4 days, I'm packing as if I'm going for 2 weeks. Why? Because I'm doing a lot of content out there. This is my first travel vlog and I want to shoot a lot of content. And so I'm also doing a Shein haul. And fortunately for me, Shein puts all of their clothes in their nice little Shein bag, so everything is tucked in here nice and neatly. So I'm just going to keep them in their bag and I'm going to throw that in my suitcase. So I have a buttload of clothes from Shein. I have my self-care items, my hair items, my makeup that I'm using, and my shoes, of course. I have my shoes that I have to pack. And so I'm going to show you guys how I like to organize my suitcase to keep everything nice and clean. I love my suitcase and all my clothes to be organized so that everything's not all over the place when I get to the hotel room. So let's get started. I got some nice lo-fi playing in the background, and we're just gonna get this done because I got a few hours and I'm running on E right now, but I'm excited. So I'm gonna take you guys with me. Let's go. Okay, y'all, so let me show you up close what we're working with. Everything's kind of already organized, so I'm gonna show y'all. Okay, yes, so like I said, I have a whole bunch of Shein clothes that can last me up to 2 weeks out there. A whole bunch of swimsuits, and I'm a dress girly, so I have a whole bunch of dresses that I'll wear, and a few two-pieces up in there. So stay tuned for the Shein haul and getting dressed with me videos that's coming up. My shoes are in the back, so I'll do my dresses, my clothes, and the large items. So that also includes the shoes, and I'll also include my vlogging items, which I'm using right now. And so my purses, I have sunshades in the back from Shein. And then all of my personal care items. I'm even bringing a face cloth for myself. I'll talk more about that as I'm packing. Here's my case for my vlog items that I'm using. Of course, I have my sunscreen and my lashes. So yes, I'm doing all of that, and I just brought this suitcase. Before we move on to the suitcase, though, I'm an advocate for these. Every girl should have these. Every girl should have this, no matter where they're going. Sometimes you just don't know. You just need the right dress. You need the right bra for the dress. There's no such thing sometimes as the perfect bra. So this works perfect for almost everything. So, but yeah, so I'll show you guys my suitcase first, and then we'll start loading it up with the Shein and the shoes, then the purses, and then the personal care items, and I'll fit my vlogging stuff in there. So we have a whole method for this, so that helps because I'm so tired. We need to get this done. So this is a new suitcase I brought from Marshall's, and it's penguin, and it's apparently it's honeycomb flavored. Not flavored, y'all. I'm tired. It's honeycomb texture. It's supposed to help with scratching and getting banged up. But I just brought this. It's a pretty large suitcase. But what sold me on this suitcase was the inside. Of course, I love the red detailing and the red design. But what really got me is this flap. So that way I can pack my clothes on this side and that side, then close the bag, and everything is still nice and neat and not falling all over the place. So that's a plus for me because I like to be efficient. I like everything to fit and stay where they need to stay. So like I said, I'm gonna put all of my clothes in first from Shein and put that in the bottom, and then I'll put my shoes on top to make a nice cushion. So I have probably like 15, 20 outfits from Shein. So this is the bottom, so let's do it like this. And I'm so excited because I'm gonna do a Shein haul out there. Like this. I can keep all my swimsuits on the left side, dresses on the right. Let's do that. And this is a swimsuit. This is super cute. Swimsuit. This is a dress. Dress is on the right side. Swimsuit. A two-piece outfit. This one is really going to be cute. I can't wait to wear this one. This is a dress, a Shein dress. A two-piece. Okay. Another swimsuit. This one's cute. I'll show you. This one's gonna be so pretty. So I'll probably wear this with these heels, probably, because it has a slit and my leg is gonna be out. So I think that's gonna be really cute together. Anything with a slit, that's what I'm wearing. That's gonna be cute. Change my dress. I'm gonna just have to hot jack. I forgot what this one is. Oh my gosh. This is a dress. This one's gonna be so pretty. It's a dress. It's all over Shein right now. Okay, and one last swimsuit. And this is the outfit. This one's gonna be super cute. I'll show y'all this one. It's this two-piece, and this is the skirt. It's gonna go here. And so this is probably going with these heels. Or honestly, I'll bring these diamond heels to wear with almost everything out there. But I'm sorry, diamond sandals to wear with almost everything out there. But I might pair this with some heels as well. Alright, we're done. Show y'all. So it's in there all nice and neat. All of my Shein items are on that bottom portion of the suitcase. So y'all, this is only for 4 days. But a girl needs options, right? Okay, so now that I'm doing that, I think I'm gonna zip this up and then put my shoes on the bottom and then all of my personal items on the top. So let's do that.
Kan inte ta tillbaka någonting av det jag sagt. Men om du låter mig förklara har vi i alla fall försökt ge dig en chans. Du vill ha mig som tar hand om dig, men du låter inte mig. Våra spöken ingen enkel grej, men jag har i alla fall försökt.
I like to keep my shoes near the bottom of the suitcase and arrange them nice and neatly. Eventually, I will invest in the little shoe packages to keep them nice and neat. With the more trips I take, these shoes I'm gonna put on the side because this is a part of the airport fit. So let's just put these here. And this purse is from Shein, of course, but it's so cute. I can't wait to wear this one. And all of my small items go into this small pink pouch. My sunscreen and lotion, toothpaste, all of the little personal items. And that's going to be tucked in there nice and neatly. This bag is such a cute find from Target. You guys, it's only $10. And I was able to fit some outfits in there and some of my content items. along with my ring light. And I don't know about you guys, but every trip that I take, I like to have a scent associated with that trip. So I always go and buy some perfume in lotion. And so this one is like some type of blossom lotion from, it's like Strawberry Fields from Bath and Body Works. And I really love this scent. So now every time I wear it, I think of Cozumel. And last but not least, all of my intimate and personal items, they go into this small little pouch. So all of my Victoria's Secret panties go into the Victoria's Secret pouch. And I like to keep them all nice and together. And I pack that in a suitcase with all the other items, the personal items as well. My makeup is going towards the top of the suitcase so I can unzip it and just pull it out early in the morning as I'm doing my makeup the morning of the trip. And of course, my nightwear, lounging clothes, that's just going to be squeezed right up in there. And there we go. I think that's everything for the most part. Oh, y'all, I am so tired. As you can see, my hair is all over the place, but it's okay. So that was the hardest part, putting everything in that suitcase. I don't think it's overweight. It is a little heavy, but it's okay. So, the only thing left to do now is my carry-on. And if you are traveling overseas, just always make sure, triple check that you have your passport with you, your ID, your debit cards, and all of that. So all of that is coming with me in my carry-on, and I'm just using one of my large purses as a carry-on. And I have a passport holder that I put in there, and my personal wallet, of course. And of course, you need your headphones, chapstick, your clutch. Like smaller purses will go into that larger purse. Also, my content items are going on my carry-on, so I'm gonna show you guys right quick. Oh my gosh. I brought this little bag for my content items, and it's super cute. I'm gonna show you guys. This is for my speakers on my mic. I'm gonna put my light on this side and all of my cords in here, and this is gonna stay on me at all times. So this is going in my carry-on, and so I have to put my clutch in there, my keys. I might just bring my house key and leave my car keys. I have to attach this to my suitcase. I have my personal wallet, my passport, y'all, from Coach. So cute. And the passport is actually in here. Okay, you guys, so that's it. That's my pack with me. This is everything I'm bringing with me to Cozumel. And so I am so ready and prepared for this trip. I have a list and to-do items and everything I need for this trip. I am overpacked, which is always good. I'd rather be overpacked than underpacked. But thank you guys for tuning in, and I hope this was helpful in some type of way. Um, just to see the organization throughout all the chaos and stuff. It was actually a little bit of stress reliever for me, which I really do like. So, but yeah, so that's my pack with me. Thank you guys for watching. I'll take you guys with me on my trip. Cozumel, here we come. Mm, mm. So excited. I'll see y'all out there. Bye.